Hello students, today's lecture is on chapters number 7 User Interface Components with AWT, which is introduced in Java syllabus. I am Professor Sheetal Jagtap, Assistant Professor in Kekiwa College, Ranwad. So students, first of all we should know what is meant by AWT. AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. Abstract Window Toolkit. Abstract Window Toolkit is used to represent the graphic program. Represents the graphic programming. Okay, AWT is now supplemented with Swing. It is supplemented with Swing. AWT provides the foundation or the base of Java graphics programming and even Swing packages. It is based on the AWT. Various popular classes which are included in AWT are Canvas, Applet, Choice, Menu, List, Dialog, Button, Checkbox, Frame, Panel, Pop-up menu, Scroll bar, Text area. These all are included in AWT packages. Okay. Swing is the option by which we can use the Java graphics. Swing is one of the part of JFC, that is Java Foundation Class. JFC, that is Java Foundation Class. Java Foundation Class includes graphics programming for the GUI, that is Graphical User Interface, which involves JButton, JLabel, JList, JCheckbox, JFrame, etc. These are the features of Swing. JButton, JLabel, JList, these are all included in Swing feature. Okay, there is the main feature of Swing is MVC, in which M stands for model, V stands for view, and C stands for controller. These three are related with each other. Okay, in which model is used to store the component of the data. For example, list item, components, etc. are stored in model, whereas view is nothing but it is represented on the screen, and controller, it handles the input such as mouse click or key pressed, etc. Hence, JComponent classes consist of JLabel, JButton, JList, etc. Okay, these are the one of the features of Swing, that is MVC, model, view and controller. Next topic is Frame. Frame is used to create a window. As we know how whatever we open, that time a window comes, and here is the controller of minimum, maximize and close. This is nothing but the frame. Okay. This frame can be visible, or we can set the size of particular window. Then how we can set a size? By using function set size and giving parameters, coordinator points. We can set the size by using this function. We can set also visibility, whether it is true then the window is visible, if it is false then window is not visible, by using this function. A small example related to Swing and Frame we will see here now. Okay, for example, if I want to use some functions like set size, set visible, set background, then for that I want to use a package called AWT. So import first package, that is import java.awt.start. This is the package. Okay. Then next is what? Class name, that is class frame demo extends frame. This is the built-in class frame which is included in AWT package. Okay. In that I will write here string title semicolon, then one constructor, that is class name and function name is same, that means it is called as a constructor frame demo having parameter string title. Okay. In that I will set by using super keyword title. I will set the size of particular window by having parameters 300, 200. Whether that window is visible or not, then I will set it true. These are all built-in function included in frame class, and that frame is in AWT package. Okay. I will set the background by using set background having parameters color.orange. By using this code, the background is set to orange color. This is the constructor is over. Now again there is a function used, that is public void paint. Paint is the function to draw the string in graphics mode. That is graphics class is there and object is created here. In that whatever in window we want to put a string, that can be set here. Suppose I want to give the font Times New Roman, then I can create an object of that font class, that is F is equal to new font, and that string is given and type is given Times New Roman. The font is set in Times New Roman, and I also want to bold it, so font dot bold is used, and I want to give the size of that particular string, that is 20. By using this code I set the string type and as well as size. Now I want to set that particular string in color, that I can do by using set foreground. See, background and foreground are different. Foreground is used to set the particular string, and background the background of window. Okay. Then color will be set by using this color, spelling COLOR dot red and semicolon. Okay. Now I want to draw a particular string by using draw string method. G dot draw string hello TYBCS. This string is set by Times New Roman with bold style having size 20 by using drawString method. Okay. And I also put this string hello TYBCS in frame position. I also give position where actually that string will be put in a frame. So yes, after string there will be size. Suppose 100, 200. Coordinators are there, x and y. Okay. And afterwards I will close the paint method. Now the last, I will put that code here. Yes, public static void main. Public static void main. String args. Square bracket, and then loop is started. Here actual class object is created and parameter is passed. New frame demo my frame. Close the bracket and close the class. This whole program will create an output. Then output will be in this way. See, minus, minimize, maximize and close, and this string hello TYBCS will be put here. Hello TYBCS. Okay, and our title, that is my frame, will go here. My frame. This is the output of this program. See, we should know that program always will start from main. So first of all it will come here. What frame demo object is created, passing and string my frame. It will switch to frame demo constructor. What is there here? String title, that is my frame goes here. Then title will be my frame, that will be here put it. Then size of this frame is 300 200. Then this frame should be visible to user, so their visibility is true. Background color, this is the background of window, so background color is orange. Okay, then paint method, in that string is given by using font equal to font F new, font by Times New Roman as well as bold, and size is 20 of hello TYBCS, and color is red for a particular string. This is the example we have seen for a abstract window toolkit for Swing, and also we have used here frame concept. Hope you understood today's topic. In the next lecture, we will see details of all the components in Java like JButton, JList, label, combo box, frame, panel, pop-up menu, etc. Thank you.